Lesson 11.1.1. The definition of monomials. Definition of monomials. In Chapter 6, we briefly mentioned the concept of monomers and polynomials. Thus, a monomial is an algebraic expression consisting of the product of a real number called a coefficient and one or more letters representing variables, which are raised to certain natural powers. For example, the figures shown on screen are all monomials, as all variables are preceded by a number coefficient, and moreover, the variables are raised to positive integer powers. On the other hand, the figures now shown on screen are not monomials, as their variables are not always positive integers. Indeed, from the properties of indices and roots, more specifically, 1 over x, n, equals x minus n and the square root of x equals x1 over 2, we can write the previous expressions shown as the following. Since the index of x in the second expression and that of y in the first and third expressions are not positive integers, y has a negative integer index, while x has a rational index, they are not monomials. Example 1. Which of the following algebraic expressions is a monomial? Solution 1. A. The expression shown on screen is a monomial, because it contains a rational, and therefore real, number, 2 over 3, as a coefficient, which precedes three variables, x, y and z, raised to the fourth, first and fifth power respectively, meaning all variables are raised in natural powers. B. The expression shown on screen is not a monomial, because one of the variables, variable x, is rational and therefore not natural, as its index is 1 over 3. C. The expression shown on screen is a monomial, because it contains a rational, and therefore real number, minus 4 over 3 as a coefficient, which precedes two variables, a and b, raised to the first and seventh power respectively, meaning all variables are raised in natural powers. D. Apparently the expression shown on screen is not a monomial as the indices of its variable b are not natural. However, by means of a few transformations, given the condition that b must not be 0, we obtain a monomial as shown on screen. Hence, variable b is simplified. That is all for lesson 11.1.1. To continue this topic, please watch 11.1.2, the definition of polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.